The 2025 Toyota Tundra is here, and let me tell you, it's shocking buyers in all the right ways. Toyota has taken this full-size truck to the next level, and whether you're a hardcore off-road enthusiast or just need a reliable workhorse, this truck is built to impress. From its redesigned exterior to new tech upgrades and insane power under the hood, the latest Tundra is making waves. So, what's new, and why is everyone talking about it? Let's break it down. First things first, just look at this beast. The 2025 Tundra gets a refreshed design that commands attention. The front grille is even more aggressive than before, with a mean stance that says, "Get out of my way." The LED headlights are sharper, and Toyota has added new aerodynamic enhancements, including air vents that improve efficiency without compromising that tough, rugged look. And depending on the trim level you choose, you're getting different grille patterns, wheel designs, and even exclusive paint options like the new solar flare orange and deep sea blue. Toyota is making sure the Tundra stands out, whether you're in the city or tearing up the trails. Now, let's talk power. The 2025 Tundra sticks with its proven twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6, delivering 389 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. But if you want to take things up a notch, Toyota's iForce Max hybrid system is where the magic happens. This beast cranks out a staggering 437 horsepower and a mind-blowing 583 lb-ft of torque. That means more towing capability, better fuel efficiency, and instant torque when you need it. And speaking of towing, Toyota has made sure this truck is built for heavy lifting. The 2025 model has an improved towing capacity of up to 12,500 pounds, thanks to a stronger frame and advanced trailer assist features. Whether you're hauling a boat, camper, or work equipment, this truck doesn't break a sweat. Now, stepping inside, the Tundra gets even more impressive. Toyota went all out with premium materials, better ergonomics, and a tech-packed cockpit. The highlight? This massive 14-inch touchscreen, running Toyota's latest multimedia system. It's fast, responsive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.